Hi everyone, let us start today 9th standard Maths 2. Okay, lesson number 1, basic concepts in geometry. So here we start. Yes, question number 1. We'll start today practice set 1.1. Question number 1 has many sub questions. We will do a few. Okay, so question number 1 is find the distance. Okay, so here we have to find out the distance between the two lines, 2 points which are present on the number line. So this is your number line, children. Okay, so see, these alphabets are called as the points, whereas these numbers present on the number line are called as the coordinates. So let us see the question. I have taken the second question from the textbook. So here I have mentioned second. So we have to find out distance between the JA. So J and A both are present in this number line. So we have to find out the distance between both the points. Okay, so solution. We'll write coordinate of point J. Okay, means number which is present below the J is -2. So the coordinate of point J is 2. Similarly, coordinate of point A is 1. So if you see carefully, children, -2 is less than 1. So we have to write -2 is less than 1. Then we'll use this formula. Children, you have to learn this formula. Our formula is distance between JA is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Okay, so here greater number is 1 and smaller number is -2. So we will, according to the formula, we'll write 1 minus -2. So you will get minus minus plus. So you will get 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 you will get 3, and therefore final statement is distance between JA is 3 units. Whenever unit is not given, we have to use the word units. Okay. Question number 2. We have to find out the distance between J and H. So see your number line, children. Distance coordinate of point J is -2 and coordinate of point H is -1. So again here -2 is smaller than -1. Okay, negative bigger number is smaller. So we'll use the same formula. Distance between, we have to write here JA is nothing but a greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Yes. So we'll find out here -1 is a smaller number, minus -2. So again -1 will remain as it is, but minus and -2 will become plus. So -1 plus 2, answer you will get 1. So final statement will be distance between JH is 1 unit and the, okay, so this is your final statement, children. So note, similarly we can solve the remaining sums from the main question 1. Okay, exercise 1.1, remaining question you can solve and you can send me. I will correct and I will send you, children. Now we'll continue with the question number 2, main question 2. Find the coordinates of A is x. If the coordinates of A is x and that of B is y, then we have to find out the distance AB. So here x and y will be given. We have to use the same formula and we have to find out the distance AB. So question 1 is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So solution we will find out. So here first of all we will decide which one is greater. So 1 is smaller than 7. Okay, so 1 smaller 7. So we'll use the same formula. Distance between AB is nothing but greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 will give you the 6. Yes, so final answer is distance between AB is 6, children. Are you getting this? Okay, second question will continue. This I have taken fourth one. Okay, so x is equal to -4 and y is equal to the -5. So solution, Again here minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So we'll use the formula distance between AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. We'll put the value. So greater coordinate is minus 4 minus minus 5. So minus 4 will remain as it is and minus minus 5 will become plus. So we will get minus 4 plus 5. So different sign is there, subtract children. So 5 minus 4 you will get 1 and this one will have plus sign because that 1 is from the 5. So statement you will get distance between AB is 1 unit. Three, from the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. Okay, means 3 point will be the one. We have to find out which one is middle one. If the points are collinear and state so. Means we have to state, first of all we have to state the which points are collinear. Okay, and then which point is between the remaining 2 points. Okay, so let us start with the question. So here first question we are having distance PR is 7, distance PQ is 10 and distance QR is 7. So in solution children, first of all we will write down the greatest distance as it is. Okay, that is distance PQ is 10. We will label equation 1. Then we will take the distance, remaining 2 distance we will add. So distance PR and distance QR we will add it. So 7 plus 3 you will get 10. So if you observe the equation 1 and 2, both are having the 10. So you will get distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR from 1 and 2. Means the points PQR are the collinear and betweenness exists. Okay, if they are collinear then only betweenness existed. So betweenness exists and how the point R is between the P and Q. So how to find out which point is between? So in addition, check the children, in addition R is twice. Okay, PR plus QR means R we are adding, R here 2 times is there. So that's why R is the midpoint. R is the point between the P and Q. Okay. Question children. Question is distance RS is 8, ST is T and RT is 4. So solution. Again here biggest distance is 8. So distance RS will keep as it is by labeling equation 1. And ST and RT we are going to add. So distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4. You are getting 10 children. So if you observe the equation 1 and 2, they are not equal. So how to write? Distance RS is not equal to distance ST and distance RT from 1 and 2. Therefore, we will write points RST are not collinear, or you can write non-collinear also. Okay, as it is a non-collinear, betweenness does not exist here. Children, now your homework time. So on the basis of question number 2, I have given the sum x and y is given. We have to find out the distance between AB. Yes, here 4 questions, sub questions are given. Solve one by using the same formula and send me for correction. Now next, on the basis of question number 3 also, I have given few sums. Solve it and let me know you are getting or not. Okay. Okay children. Okay, for any difficulty call me on this number. Yes, bye bye everyone.